Good morning, students. In today's class, we are going to discuss on a very important chapter on articles, that is, the omission of articles or the abuse of articles. In our previous classes on articles, we have read what are the different types of articles, when and how to use them. But the thing is that in some places, even when we do not need those articles, we use them. And that's a big mistake. So to avoid that mistake, we should know when not to use those articles. And that is the chapter omission of articles. Before I start today's lesson, let me ask you a favor. Please like the video if you like it. And please share it so that all the students like you will be benefited by the video. And don't forget to subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and press the bell icon so that you will get the notifications of my next videos. Thank you. Now let's get into the topic. Articles are basically adjectives, and these adjectives are generally used before nouns. But there are certain nouns before which we do not use those articles. Let's see. We do not use articles before a proper noun, a name to anybody. It can be Rabindranath is the best Bengali poet. So Rabindranath, that's the proper noun. We do not use an article before it. Material noun, gold, silver, water, whatever it is. Abstract noun, it can be a quality, it can be an idea, it can be anything like that. And we do not use articles before these nouns unless these nouns are meant to particularize anything. We have discussed that in our chapters, our previous chapters in articles. If you have any doubt, you can go to those videos. I will give the description. I will give the links in the description box below. Thank you. Next, common nouns in plural number. There are certain common nouns like cows, students, men, like that, and these different articles. These are common nouns. We do not use articles before them because they are in plural number. We do not use articles. Then certain nouns, even though they are in singular number, common noun or collective noun, if those nouns are preceded by certain phrases like kind of, species of, sort of. So if these common nouns or collective nouns are preceded, means they come before, these phrases come before these nouns, then we do not use any article before these nouns. Suppose, let me give you one example. What sort of a man is he? What sort of man? Not what sort of a man. What sort of a man is he? Means before man we are not using any article. What sort of man is he? So that thing is something where we do not use any articles. Now, common or collective noun, this has been told. Next one is man in the sense of mankind. So when, at the last example I gave man as a particular man, but when we use the word man as the entire mankind, the entire human society, then even though it is a singular noun, generally common nouns in plural number, before that we do not use this articles, but in case of man, as it is it is there to denote the entire human race, so we do not use any article before it. The next, it is very important, father, mother, baby, or it can be any other relation, uncle, aunt, husband, wife, these words, any relations, or some words like cook, nurse, servant, these words, when they mean my or our, means my father, my mother, our father, our mother, our cook, our nurse. So like that, if we use these words in these senses, we should not use any article before them. The next one, this is a very long list, I am just taking one by one. Days, Sunday, Monday, months, January, February, seasons, summer, winter, festivals, it can be any festival, Durga Puja, Eid, Holi, Christmas, meals, we take meals at different times in a day, just like breakfast, lunch, tea, supper, dinner. So these are the means diseases, names of diseases. It can be tuberculosis, cancer, typhoid, anything. So these diseases, they do not take articles before them. Languages, English, Bengali, Hindi, Urdu, Spanish, German. These languages, when we talk about the languages, not of the nationality, then we do not use articles before them. Then subjects, physics, chemistry, history, geography, we do not use articles before them. Games and sports, cricket, football, archery. Country, state, town, name of countries, name of states, name of towns, villages, any places, squares, streets. These we do not use articles before them. But in some cases we use the definite article, the or the, before these country names. That's been discussed in when to use the definite article. You can check that video also. Then we have discussed in the same video that when there is a mountain range or a group of islands, we use the. But when there is a single mountain or a mountain peak or a single island, even then we do not use any article before them. The next point is, this is very important, please note it carefully. Some places or some things, when we just think or tell or do the exact or the appropriate thing to be done. Suppose we go to a school. Okay, we can go for two reasons, either to study them or to just visit the place. So if you go to a school to study there, or in case of teachers to teach there, so I go to school, no article. See, I go to school to read. But suppose I went to the school to visit the campus. So I went to the school to visit the campus. See the difference. When we are going to do the exact or appropriate thing, that appropriate work that is to be done there, then we do not use any article. But when we are going to do something else, then we should use the article. So it can be a place like school, college, hospital, church, temple, court, or any other place. I was talking about things like bed, table, chair. So a bed is to lie down and sleep. But suppose some of us have a habit that we lie in the bed and then we read. So bed is not for reading. That is a table for study table. But if we read in the table, then we would use. If we read in the bed, then we use an article before it. But if we are going to sleep on the bed only, then we should not use any articles. This is very important. The next is before idioms and phrases. There are certain idioms, certain phrases where we do not use any article before those nouns, like to give ear to, or the call of nature. In this sort of idioms or phrases, we do not use the article before the noun. Now, this was a very short version of when not to use the articles. It can be discussed in detail, but as far as I think, this would be enough for the first time nerds like you. So feel free to comment if you have any other queries. So this is all for the video. Please don't forget to like the video if you like it. Do share so that all the students like you will get benefited from the video. And please subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and press the bell icon so that you get the notifications of my later videos. Thank you. Have a nice day.